Hi guys, this is the March end of month strategy. I just thought I would show you the trade that we did live, as we trade every month live, and the robots working live also. So without further ado, this is a speeded up video, just so the trade itself lasted around about 1 hour. So without further ado, let's get this going. So you can see here we've already triggered in part 1 of the EOD strategy here. This is part 1, and we are looking for the market to get us roughly about 2.4%. That trade was successful and it run the course. I really want to run this so we can actually see the robots as well. So this is speeded up, and I can talk you through this trade as we go along. So you can see the market's coming down. The market has triggered robots. So this is the ASX EOD robot, and we've trying a few different ways of entering the strategy, but the core robot's at the top here, and it is all been triggered in. Stops are up here, entry is here, and targets are a little bit further down. You'll see the market will adjust up in a minute. As I said, this is a speeded up video just so you can see that the robot does actually work. We do trade this every month, we do record this every month, and these are live trades on a live account. So you'll be able to see the market move up. You can just see here at the moment we've moved the chart up so you can see the targets. This is a little bit of resistance identified in front of the targets, but as you can see we're coming down to the targets round about here, and it won't take long. It hits that target quite nicely, and we are over and done with in the space of round about 1 hour. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye bye.